Jiribam Road Transport Drivers Union (Ajrtdu) has extended its full support to the stance taken by the Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC), warning that loaded trucks stranded in Jiribam will proceed toward Imphal without waiting for security escorts if the state fails to clear them within 4 days. Addressing a press conference today at Ajrtdu entry post in Babupura, Jiribam, Union Secretary K.H. Gopeshwar stated that the current security convoy arrangements are grossly inadequate to clear the massive backlog of stranded freight vehicles. Tensions flared earlier in the day when one of 2 scheduled security convoys bound for Imphal was abruptly cancelled without explanation. The unexpected cancellation triggered widespread agitation among drivers who have been lined up for days. Order was restored following the direct intervention of senior officials from Jiribam District Police, including additional SP and OC. The authorities organized an emergency convoy, which successfully dispatched a second batch of trucks around 2:30 p.m. Despite the afternoon movement, Gopeshwar reiterated that the existing escort system cannot resolve the crisis in a timely manner. Endorsing TDC's declaration, he warned that drivers would have no choice but to head toward Imphal independently, with or without a convoy, if all stranded cargo trucks are not evacuated within 4 days. The union urged the government to immediately introduce a dedicated special convoy system to ensure swift and safe transit of essential goods to Imphal Valley.